going on YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And we have this image here, this cheetah. I have this file located in my Etsy shop. You can purchase it today for only, I believe it's 45% off. 45% off. You can get this Rhinestone and Sublimation, or should I say Sublimation and Rhinestone template. But check this out, y'all. This image was sized up to be large. It's 12.373 inches in width by 15.034 inches in height, right? So if you have a smaller Epson printer, a smaller sublimation printer, this can still be achieved even if you do not have a wide format 13 by 19 inch printer. And let me show you how. Alright, so first here, you will open up the sublimation image. You can right click from here, and you should be able to print. Okay. When you do that though, it pulls up the regular printer settings. Pulls up the regular printer settings. It does not let you use your Epson printer settings. So these are the basic printer settings for any printer that you may use to print. Trying to see if I can get to the, okay, so that's not what you want. If I open this image up in my CorelDRAW or my graphic software such as Photoshop, let's go ahead and open up. Alright, now I'm just going to open up a new document. After I open up a new document, I'm just going to drag one of these sublimation images into CorelDRAW. I like this one right here. It's pretty colorful. Let's just drag that in, like so. When you drag it in, it comes in at 4.787 by 5.76. What you want to do is you want to resort back to the guide and size it at 12.373 by 15.034. We'll go up here, 12.373 by 15.034. As you can see, it fills up that page. Alright? Alright, hold on. I just wanted to go back and double check. 15.034, 12.373. Alright? Perfect. Now we have it on 13 by 19 inch paper. Right here. But when we highlight it and go to print, let's go to print. Now we have our Epson printer settings. Right? Let's see here if I have a smaller printer. It's not showing me any smaller printers because I have all 13 by 19 inch printers, but I'm going to show you how to set your printer up so that you can print off this image here. So of course you want to set it at your document size is letter 8.5 by 11. Of course, for sublimation you want to go with the premium presentation paper matte, high quality, right? And then what we want to do is go to our more options up here. On the more options, you want to turn off high speed. And you do want to mirror the image because it's sublimation. For color correction, you really don't need to mess with this, but a lot of people like to go in here, go to advanced, and we can go to no color adjustment. We can go to color controls. Typically in color controls, I like to change it to Adobe RGB, leave the gamma at 2.2, and just for quick reference, I like to change all these to 3, those 3, leave the density at 0, and let's go to OK. Alright, now you want to hit OK here. Now this is where the magic happens, right here in the layout tab. You want to go to the layout tab, and what you want to do is print tiled pages. When we click on print tiled pages like so, bing bong, the issues up here go away. Watch this. When I declick it, we got one issue. What does the issue say? The issue says output does not fit on media. Down here in the details and the suggestions, it says the contents of the following page do not fit within the media selected in printer properties. If you continue, objects may be cropped at the edge of the media. The suggestion is to resolve the situation, design your document to a smaller size, choose a larger media size in properties under the general tab, or select the fit to page option under the layout tab. Fit to page option. Let's go back to the layout. Oh, we could hit fit to page option right here, but that is only going to make our image smaller. We don't want our image smaller, so we leave it as in document, and we come down here to print tiled pages. Once we do that, we want to change our overlap to 0.50. After we change our overlap to 0.50, let's hit apply. Now right here in our print preview, even if back here we were using 8.5 by 11 inch sheets of paper, and our print preview will show you what happens. It will basically break your print up into 4 separate prints. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I mean, you could, I believe, move him down to the center of the page like this. So now, you know, you can put together 4 whole sheets. Alright? After you do that, you will hit File, and then you will hit Print. And it will print off 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3 sheet, 4 sheet. What you do with those 4 sheets, I will leave a link down below to how you will take those 4 sheets together in order to create one large image that you will then press onto your garment. Thanks for checking out today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Smash that like button, and I'm out.